Hi, hello, good morning. It is Friday morning and we are on a train to Brighton. Oh.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream.
I'm sporting my John Bellion Beautiful Minds hat that I got at the concert yesterday. Laura and Taylor and Darian are sitting in the seats in front of us. I'll show you them in a second. I didn't vlog anything this morning before getting on the train because it was a little crazy. We cut it a little close, but we made it.
I just wanna dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
Little kids excited for the arcade. Okay, Allie, should we go that way? Living my best life. I'm done. Darren, you killed that.
I did not.
Lunchtime here in Brighton. We're eating fish and chips, or chicken bites and chips for those who don't like seafood, by
Just at me.
Darian and Laura. And sitting by the water. It's so pretty. Such a pretty day.
Seagull.
That's a huge bird.
Everybody having fun?
It's like literal.
I always feel like a parent, like videotaping, like, are you kids having fun?
We haven't even gotten on the roller coaster yet, and I'm having so much fun.
Coaster. Oh man, I'm so excited for the roller coaster.
Mom's gonna hold our stuff.
Yeah.
Allie's my
That's
mom.
me.
So yeah.
You wanna go, Allie? Oh my god.
Oh my god, stop talking to me. He's like,
Allie, you were literally trying. You have a duck whip.
everyone's freaking out because of the seagulls.
Oh, Beagle's like clicking when he opens and closes it. I don't like that.
Thoughts and feelings before the roller coaster?
So excited.
To be determined, will my lunch come up? My lunch is feeling weird. It was like 90% grease. I'm so excited.
Everybody came out like holding their neck.
I was watching. I think I broke my neck. I was about to flail out of my seat. The thing, it was very fun. The harness was not as secure as I had anticipated, but I lived to tell the tale, so worth it.
We made a quick gelato break. Recommendation. There it is. Fabulous. Recommendation from Alex was great. Sometimes I don't know what I'm saying in these videos.
Me every day of my life.
I got matcha green tea and carrot cake. Weird sounding combination, but it's delicious. What'd you have?
I got peanut butter and sea salt caramel sorbet with chocolate gelato.
Oh, that sounds really good.
It is.
I got mango and berry. Delicious.
Carrot cake and custard cream.
Wow.
That sounds good.
I just love the little spoon.
Just 2 of them.
I tried 2 flavors and I just really love the little spoon. So I'm sorry. No worries. Win-win.
Laura looks dead.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi there.
Oh, hey.
Hi, vlog.
We're just hanging out on the beach, took a nice nap on these rocks.
On this rock beach.
It's actually not
It's actually
that
not
it
that
like
bad.
bad. I think one of my ribs is collapsed. And my lung collapsed on a jacket.
But it's not that bad.
But other than that, it's great.
Yeah.
It's very relaxing here.
These children over here.
Ow, that hurts. The literal bone.
No, look, it's
rock
going.
fragment.
I'm looking at the jacket.
We are on the train on our way back from Brighton. A really relaxing day, a lot of fun to walk around, spend some time at the beach. I got like a little sunburn right there.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom. And
Oh, like very fun.
Terry got some sunburn too.
Ouchies.
But I think Laura gonna go to Nando's for some dinner with these hooligans. But that is all for today. I'm going to end the vlog here.
As it's music.